Hi students. Now the second problem. A straight metal wire crosses a magnetic field of flux 4 milliweber in a time 0.4 second. Find the magnitude of the EMF induced in the wire. So we are having a straight wire like this. When it is moved inside a magnetic field, what will be the EMF induced in the wire? Before this wire is entering inside the field, the flux linked with the wire is 0. Then when it is deeply entering inside the magnetic field, the flux is 4 milliweber. So we can take this value as the change in the magnetic flux itself directly. Instead of phi, it can be taken as d phi. Okay. Similarly, before moving this wire, the initial time is taken as 0. Then when it is moved through the magnetic field for t equal to 0.4 second, dt is taken as what is 0.4 second. Okay, so I will take here d phi, the change in the flux. So this is equal to 4 milliweber. So this is equal to 4 into 10 to the power of minus 3 Weber. And dt, so the time is 0.4 second. Now the induced EMF is asked. So the induced EMF, actually induced EMF is given by minus d phi by dt, but here only the magnitude of the EMF is asked. So modulus, okay, magnitude of the EMF is d phi by dt. So the negative sign is neglected. So this is now equal to d phi is 4 into 10 to the power of minus 3 Weber divided by 0.4 second. So this is 4 divided by 0.4 is 10, and this is 10 into 10 power minus 3 volt, or the induced EMF's magnitude is now equal to 10 millivolt. 10 millivolt is the answer. Understood? I hope you must have understood well. Fine.